What we have here is a ASUS G50V series gaming laptop, and I'm going to change out the keyboard, and I just thought I'd make a video on how I replace it. And so anyway, the first thing you want to do is shut the computer down. Takes a little while. Once it's shut down, then flip it over and make sure you unhook your electrical cord. You don't want to have your electrical cord hooked up to it, and remove the battery. I learned this lesson a long time ago. Working on a laptop years ago, I didn't remove the battery, and while I was messing around, then inside the laptop, I shorted something out and fried the CPU. But on this laptop, there's two screws that you have to take out that are attached to the keyboard, and one is right here and one is right there. So you need a small screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and remove those screws. Flip it back over. Anyway, what you have to do is there are tabs right in here, and these spots right in here that hold it in place. So you have to take a very small flathead screwdriver, and there's about 3 or 4 spots that you have to pry up on it very carefully. Just lift it up, flip it over, you can see your connector. You can see where your connection is right here. The ribbon cable connects right in here, and there's a little white tab right here, and you have to kind of pull that back. So you just take a fingernail on both sides, kind of pull it back. There we go. That loosens up the cable. You just undo the ribbon cable like that. Take the keyboard away. And I got a brand new keyboard that I'm going to replace it with. It's right here. Brand new. This keyboard was messed up. Some of the keys didn't work on it, so I ordered this keyboard on eBay for like $18. I think it cost me $18 with free shipping, so I'm just going to replace the keyboard. Now to reconnect the ribbon cable, it's like this, so it orients like this, and you just slide it into that slot. into the connector. Then you take that plastic retainer and move it back, push it back in place. Then that secures your ribbon cable. Now after you get the ribbon cable connected and secured, then you just flip the keyboard back over and make sure the tabs are down in their proper slots. Then lay it down and it'll just snap in place. Then you just close your lid, turn it back over, put your screws back in. The 2 screws that we took out earlier. And that secures the keyboard so it doesn't flop around in there. Put your battery back in. And start it up and see if the keyboard works. Takes a while for Windows to start. Windows 7 is a lot faster than a lot of the other Windows they had as far as booting up. It still can take some time. Okay. This is my daughter's laptop, so I don't know her password, but we'll be able to tell if the keys work by just entering in some characters. Seems to work just fine. So that's how you replace a keyboard in a G50V series ASUS gaming computer. I hope this might help some people out there that need to do something like that. Replace the keyboard or repair it or clean it or whatever. So I hope this helped you.